operatives have found allies in Astana, civilians prepared to rage against the Chinese and American aggressors. We can use this army of the street to harass the enemy. While Astana burns, our brethren can loot the city for resupply purposes.
All units, respond to city center. 5150 in progress at the old government building.
I am moving there now.
Looters moving along Xi'an Road near the bank district.
7th Street is blocked off. I'm going to have to go around.
A large crowd moving toward the center of the city. Unit 420 requesting backup in the railway district.
A large mob is going to take some time. We have a riot on our hands here. Find a way out. The airport is still secure.
The Red Guard are mobilized.
We have incited the population of the city to riot, use the angry mobs to collect resources for our cause, and chase the Americans and Chinese from this land. $40,000 American by destroying the city and plundering the valuables.
I'm hungry. Are there not better tools? I will obey. I will work. Finish with the business. I will work. Cannot we live in peace? Do not hurt me. That building cannot fit there. I will obey. Cannot we live in peace? I am finished with the building. This hammer is heavy. I'm hungry. Are there not better tools?
$40,000 should go far to further our cause. We are halfway to our goal. You are doing well. warrior has fallen. Keep gathering money. The Americans are trying to quell the riot. Destroy their base of operations at the airport. You must try to save some money for forced to flee.
Cannot we live in peace? If that is what you want.
A warrior has fallen. Upgrade complete.
Our base is in peril! Is being attacked!
What do you want with me? It already needs repairs? Cannot we live in peace?
No one escapes. Who's the target? He's in my crosshairs.
Warrior has fallen. Just a few more dollars and our mission will be complete. We have attained our goal, $40,000 American dollars.